Hello everyone. Today we will compare eToro and Trading 212, two popular platforms for trading stocks, ETFs, and more. So eToro is known for its social trading features, allowing users to follow and copy successful traders, making it ideal for beginners. And Trading 212 offers commission-free trading and a user-friendly interface, appealing to both new and experienced traders. So in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, performance, customer and support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for eToro and Trading 212, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you might also get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now let's go directly to the features comparison. So when it comes to commission-free trading, eToro and Trading 212 both have it because that's what they do. And when it comes to user-friendly platforms, eToro have it with social trading focus, and Trading 212 also a user-friendly platform with a focus on simplicity. When it comes to investment options, eToro have stocks, ETFs, CFDs, forex, and cryptocurrencies. So same thing with Trading 212. They have stocks, ETFs, CFDs, and commodities. And lastly, when it comes to mobile app integration, both platforms have it, and they are very highly rated when it comes to that. And when it comes to another features, which is demo account, both platforms offer it so that users can, use the demo before using the full version. And when it comes to technical analysis tools, eToro have it and it's powered by TradingView, while Trading 212 also has it but less advanced. When it comes to social trading, eToro has it with CopyTrader TM, while Trading 212 they don't have it, but they have community forum for replacement. And lastly, for interest on uninvested cash, eToro have no interest, while Trading 212 have an interest up to 5.1%. And that's it for the features comparison. So now let's go directly to the pricing comparison. So when it comes to spread on euro and US dollars, eToro offers it for 1 PIP or 1 pips, while Trading 212 have 1.9 pips for that. So when it comes to inactivity fees, eToro has inactivity fees, while Trading 212 they don't have any inactivity fees. And same thing with withdrawal fees. eToro has withdrawal fees up to $5, while Trading 212 they don't have any withdrawal fee. And lastly, when it comes to currency conversion fees, eToro has it for 0.5%, while Trading 212 offers it for 0.15% of the transaction. So that's it for the simple pricing comparison. So now let's go directly to the performance comparison. And when it comes to execution speed, both platforms is very fast when it comes to that. So you don't have to worry. When it comes to reliability, same thing again. Both platforms is very reliable on their past achievements. So yeah. And lastly, when it comes to past incidents, there are only few reported on both platforms. So mostly the performance is very good for both platforms. And that's it. So now let's go directly to the another section, which is the customer and support comparison. And when it comes to live chat, eToro has it. They have live chat support, while Trading 212 they don't have it. When it comes to email support, both platforms have it since it's the common type of support. And lastly, for phone support, only Trading 212 has it and eToro don't have it. And lastly, for response time, eToro response is sometimes slow, while Trading 212 is known for fast response time. So yes, that's it for the customer support. So now we're done with the features, pricing, performance, and customer support comparison. So now let's go directly to the pros and cons. And let's start by discussing the eToro pros and cons. So when it comes to eToro pros, eToro has social investing. They have an ability to match moves of popular traders. They have advanced trading features in mobile app, and also the cryptocurrency holdings may be transferred off the platform. And last but not the least, they have very comprehensive educational resources. So that's it for the eToro pros. So when it comes to cons, eToro, their service is not available in all states. So you can only access them in some part of Europe and United States. and they don't have crypto to crypto trading pairs. So that is a very letdown for some crypto users. And lastly, they have limited customer service. So yes, that's it for the eToro pros and cons. And now let's go to trading 212 pros and cons. So when it comes to pros, they offer commission real stocks and ETFs. And trading 212 is a user-friendly trading interface on both web and mobile app. And when it comes to pay interest, they pay interest on uninvested cash, which is 5 to 1%. And lastly, they have a quick and easy account opening. So that's it for the trading 212 pros. And when it comes to cons, trading 212 have limited product portfolio. So they don't have that, vast and variety products in their platforms. So also they have higher forex fees, which is a kind of letdowns for some users. And lastly, they have limited research tools. So they have limited knowledge base and educational resources for users. And yes, that's it for the cons, and that's it for the pros and cons. So now we're done with the pros and cons. Let's go to which platform is the best for you. And let's start that by discussing who should choose eToro. So eToro is referable for newcomers to cryptocurrency who want to learn by doing so. Perfect for those interested in social trading and copying the strategies of top traders. Perfect for investors looking for a communal trading experience. And yeah, that's it. So if you have all of these qualities, eToro is the choice for you. So now for the people who should choose trading 212. So trading 212 is referable for someone or for beginners investors due to its solid stock and ETF selection and user-friendly platforms. For those who are cost conscious and appreciate interest on cash, which is 5%, that is very good. For investors looking for a platform with a low transaction cost and a low minimum deposit, and for individuals interested in long-term investing within a tax-efficient framework like an ISA. So yes, if you have all of these qualities, trading 212 is the choice for you. And yes, that's it. So in conclusion, both platforms have unique features that cater to different types of investors. So eToro is social trading platform is ideal for those who want to engage with other traders and learn from their experience. While trading 212 straightforward, commission-free approach is great for beginners and cost-conscious investors. So remember, the right platform for you depends on your specific trading needs, investment goals, and the level of engagement you desire from your trading experience. Always consider your own research and financial advice when making investment decisions. So with that being said, the comparison is over, and I hope this comparison helps you choose the correct option. And also that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.